Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the top electronics you can buy from Amazon in 2023. As we know, Amazon has an extensive selection of electronics, from laptops to smart home devices, and we've done the research to bring you the best of the best. So, let's get started. Product 1. Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch. First up, we have the Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch. This laptop is a powerhouse with its Intel Core i9 processor, 32 GB of RAM, and 1 TB SSD storage. It's perfect for creative professionals, gamers, and anyone who needs a high-performance laptop. Plus, it has a stunning Retina display and long battery life. You can get it on Amazon for around $2,500. Product 2. Samsung Galaxy S23. Next, we have the Samsung Galaxy S23. This phone is one of the most anticipated releases of 2023, and for good reason. It's expected to have a large, high-resolution display, 5G connectivity, and a powerful Snapdragon processor. It's also rumored to have a new camera system that can capture stunning photos and videos. The expected price is around $1,200, but keep an eye out for deals on Amazon. Next up, we have the Sony A7 IV mirrorless camera. This is an amazing camera for those who are looking to take their photography to the next level. It has a 33-megapixel full-frame sensor, fast autofocus, and can shoot up to 10 frames per second. The camera also has a tilting touchscreen and built-in Wi-Fi, making it easy to share your photos online. You can expect to pay around $2,500 for this camera on Amazon. Product 4. Amazon Echo 4th Generation. Moving on to smart home devices, we have the Amazon Echo 4th Generation. This smart speaker is equipped with Alexa, Amazon's virtual assistant, and can be used to play audio, set alarms, and control smart home devices. It also features a new spherical design and improved sound quality. Plus, it's affordable at around $100 on Amazon. Product 5. Sony A9 Geo TV. The Sony A9 Geo is one of the best TV available on the market. It has a 65-inch screen, 4K resolution, and support for Dolby Vision HDR, making it perfect for movie nights and binge watching. You can get it in a variety of sizes, starting at around $1,500 on Amazon. If you're into fitness, the Apple Watch Series 8 is a must-have. It has advanced health sensors, including an ECG app and a blood oxygen monitor, as well as a sleek design that looks great on your wrist. The Sony WH1000XM5 noise-canceling headphones are a must-have for audiophiles who value premium sound quality. These headphones feature advanced noise cancellation technology, support for LDAC Bluetooth audio, and up to 30 hours of battery life, making them ideal for individuals who are always on the move and appreciate uninterrupted listening experiences. The Amazon Basics Microwave, which is a smart microwave that can be controlled using Alexa. It has voice control, preset cooking options, and a compact size, making it perfect for small kitchens or anyone who wants a more convenient cooking experience. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro drone, which is the latest drone from DJI. It has a Hasselblad camera with a large 1-inch sensor, a 3-axis gimbal for smooth video footage, and a maximum flight time of up to 46 minutes, making it perfect for aerial photography and videography. So there you have it, the top electronics to buy from Amazon in 2023. Whether you're in the market for a new laptop, phone, camera, smart speaker, or TV, Amazon has you covered. Let us know in the comments which product you're most excited about, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.